how to set back tap or double tap to trigger the volume up or volume down button on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the main settings page, scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Touch. Now in here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. Then you can choose Double Tap or Triple Tap. And from here, we scroll down. After you can select either volume down or volume up. So here, if I select volume up, you can see if I double tap at the back here, it will change the volume. So as I double tap, it will progressively increase the volume. And you can also set triple tap to decrease the volume. So if I triple tap 1, 2, 3, it will decrease the volume. Or if I double tap, it will increase the volume. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.